Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. What is the synonym of respect? Answer hai. A. Question 2. What is the synonym of smile? Answer hai. A. Question 3. What is the synonym of soft? Answer hai. A. Question 4. What is the synonym of strong? Answer hai. A. Question 5. What is the synonym of thin? Answer hai. A. Question 6. What is the synonym of warm? Answer hai. A. Question 7. What is the synonym of win? Answer hai. B. Question 8. What is the synonym of wish? Answer hai. D. Question 9. What is the synonym of zero? Answer hai. A. Question 10. What is the synonym of fast? Answer hai. A. Speedy.